Everyone, you're welcome to my channel. So today we are going to doing okra gel for massive hair growth. So I'm not going to talk much in this video, so do keep on watching.
I look at you and it's easy to see you are that someone I've been trying to meet. I got your number, won't you pick up the phone? Don't leave me hanging on the dial tone. Think back to the night that we met, jumping in the pool, talk to you, dripping wet. Nervous when I speak, so I trip on my tongue. Never thinking you would be my number one. On my tongue, never thinking you would be my number one.
So guys, I was using this sieve to save mine, but I didn't have that enough patience and I was holding the camera with one hand, so I decided to use pap sieve to save mine. But if you have other things like something that is smaller, you can also use it to save it.
My shoes, could've chosen anyone, but I choose you. Hop back in your car, top down. There's no stopping us, cause we own this town. Never knew
I'm going to be using this bottle, but the bottle is our oil container bottle. I just turn out the oil, then I want to use it. So I'm going to be using this one that has a tiny mouth, but you can do without it though. You can use your hand. If you don't have a bottle, you can just use it like that, but I prefer to use a bottle because it makes it easier.
number one. Drive to the beach. The sun was setting, it was just you and me. Wind in my hair and the sand in my